to see you again, Paul. Last time I saw you, you were CTO, just came on board out in EMEA. What are you doing now?
Actually, I've moved to a role corporate-wide, so some of the things I was doing in EMEA, we're trying to scale globally. So part of my role there is essentially to scale a CTO organization, build a team that does that so that we can share our message and our vision, make it very, very clear with our customers, our partners, and our field globally.
So what can our customers expect from the Office of the CTO?
So the role of the Office of the CTO is to help drive innovation at VMware, very specifically to take the long view and make sure that as we develop technologies and products, they reflect our customers' needs and solve their problems, either the ones they experience today or the ones that may be unmet and they don't realize are coming down the tracks of them. Part of that is part of my role is to engage with customers, to talk to the ones that are solving these problems that are representative of where the industry is going. So we want to engage with them, understand the problems they're solving and what they see on the horizon. That's absolutely part of our role. It's not just to take here's the technology and what we see coming down the track, but to understand the customer environments those technologies will be deployed in and the customer situations that really are representative of where the world is going in terms of these infrastructures and applications and services.
So what's exciting you these days? I mean, what are you working on?
I think VMware, we're in a position right now where almost everything's exciting. What I mean by that is everything is beginning to come together. If we look at how we think of the vFabric and the platform side, we're creating an environment where people can build these new scalable applications that can take full advantage of the capabilities of the cloud. They can scale up, they can scale out, all of that good stuff. One of the things that really excites me is the announcement of the management suite, cloud infrastructure management. Very specifically that we're moving away from thinking of a set of products that have to be put together in order to solve problems, to be able to map your business onto technology, and we're moving it into a space where creating this piece of software starts feeling more like a kind of operating system, a meta operating system, if you will. What operating systems do is they map workload onto resources in line with policy. Traditional operating systems map processes onto CPU, memory, and I/O based on things like priorities and shares. In this world we're moving to, we want to map business services and applications onto infrastructure, cloud infrastructure, whether that's inside the business, whether it's external in a public cloud, in line with policies, in this case things like SLAs and so forth. As we move towards that, I think that's a very, very exciting journey for us and a very, very compelling journey for our customers.
Great, and over the next year, I know we've made a lot of announcements here already at VMworld, but what are some of the exciting technologies that you can talk about that you see coming up over the next year or two?
I think the ones that we've already seen announced today are the ones I guess we can talk about. You start seeing things like Project Octopus and so forth. We will continue to see from VMware innovation in 3 layers of the stack that we're playing, that really the middle is how you build applications and services that can truly take advantage of the cloud. We will continue to focus on the infrastructure layer, which is really around delivering the cloud services from the middle layer, the right price, the right quality of service, the right SLAs, the right level of agility for the business. And then if we think of the top layer, that's how you access and consume those services, and you will continue to see ever more innovation in that space, allowing people to work the way they want to, via the devices they want to, where they want to work, but only in a controlled, compliant and authorized kind of way. So not tidbits of particular things, but I think the thing that's particularly exciting right now is you start to see that picture really coming together as we fill out all of those blocks and we deliver that customer value.
Great, well thank you very much for your time, Paul, and look forward to continuing to work with you.
Very welcome, look forward to the next time.